Hello, today I will report this black pine. Okay, and first we are going to prepare next pot. This one. So it's completely the same one, but this is just a demonstration, so it's okay. So you can change the pot, of course. If you have a nice pot, you find it, so you change it to the fine nice pot. But same pot, just put it out and clean it and put it in the same pot is also okay. So first we need to prepare a pot. You know, this one is a mesh, I don't know how to say, but and there's a hole inside. This pot has two holes, so you have to put it on this here and make it stable. Okay, let me see. If you cut the wire and make a U-pin like this one, and load it like this. Okay, you turn it. So you can make it stable. So this is okay. Right? Same thing. Alright. And the next step, okay. The next step, you wire long and here and here. This for you to bend a tree. This for you for tree's roots to make it stable, to not to move. So like this is okay. Okay, next step, pull this tree out from this pot. So first you turn it, and this has no wire here. But if you find a wires like this here, you have to cut it first. When you find it, just cut it and make it to remove it. Okay, just remove it. Alright. Can you see? This one has too many roots around the pot, so this one need to repot. So this is good to repot here. And first you take out this one, this mesh. If you think it's hard to remove the mesh like this one, so you just forget it, and the root around the pot, you just break it gently. Do this just gentle. Don't do pull like you don't do this because you will damage the root. So just keep it nice, kind, gentle. Just keep doing the same thing until the root will be soft enough. There. So you take it. You take this step. Okay, next step here. The side. As I say, these trees are too many for this tree, so I will cut most of these unnecessary roots. As I said, you don't need to use your strength to do this. Just relax and do the same thing. Even if you think it's hard, finally you can make it. So just do it gentle. Just gently scratch, scratch, scratch. Alright. So cut the necessary roots, 2 long ones like this. Okay, and next step, take out the top soils. Take out the top soils and check the roots. Take out the soil of the soil of the top. Then you can see a nevary. So this is an important step to make it a good nevary. You know, the roots. Okay, this is good. Done. Just make this. Alright. Okay, next step, let's make a soil. And prepare this one. Akadama tsuchi. Akadama soil. And this one. Kiru sand. And the grains this is good for these choking sites, and if you do a larger one, you can use larger grains also. Okay. So first you add the akadama here. And kiru. 2 repot pines or hinoki sleepers. This I am using kiru 60% and akadama 40%, because these trees don't need much water like maples. But if you have sand more than soil, trees will be grow healthy. In Takamatsu area, they are using only sand, and maybe 90% sand and 10% akadama. But it's going to be too dangerous. Maybe you have to keep watering. So 60-40 will be better for beginners, I think. Okay, let's plant a tree to the pot you prepared. First, you take the soil and put soil. The things you have to care is if you think the roots are too many and you think there's no room for sand in the bottom of the pot, but you have to put only a few, but you have to put it because the pot roots just touch the pot directly, and then in the summer heat will attack the pot and the root will be damaged by the heat. So this soil will be cushioned. So you have it's better to put at least a few, but you have to put these sands at the bottom. It's a good thing. Okay. Next step. And add some soil in the middle of the pot like this to make a mountain. And also here, because after you put the tree in the pot, you can't add the soil, just the bottom of the tree. So first you put this first, okay, and you go and put it here, like here, right? And check the angles, and if it didn't bend, just make it the right place and push it, check and push it like this. Now the soil under the pot will be stacked to the roots, so this is good. This is important too. Okay. Then find the wire that you prepared first, and using these pinchers. Like this to make it stay, so avoid just shaking to this. Okay, next play. Okay, let's pour soil too. Here. You can use everything to just push the soil in the pot. Someone using chopsticks, someone using wires, thick wires, or someone only use hands. It's okay. In any videos, many videos, they are using doing this in a very stuck, like, but you don't have to do this so tough. Just do it gently, and the soil will be go inside. So no worries. Just make it relax, and add some trees too. Done. So now repot it. After this, you pour water and finish it. Let's go to pour water. Okay, let's pour water. This is the first time pouring water after repotting. This is very important, because there is a very small grains called mijin, and you have to clean it. This can do in a very first time only. So I think if you pour water and water comes out from the pot, will be very dirt first time. So keep doing it to disappear dirty water, and will be very clear water. So finished repotting the black pine. Thank you for watching.